So it's 1 o'clock in the morning. That's Elena right there.
Well, is that legit?
We've been best friends since like forever. So yeah, we're doing this video.
Don't know why.
I'm really tired right now, if you can't tell from the large Kroger bag. Guess what a Kroger means? I looked it up on your dad's phone.
What?
It means a very confident and relaxed person.
I'm gonna shop at Kroger.
Kroger, that's a pretty cool name right there.
Yeah, is.
Yep. So, does it just like record forever?
Yeah, you can record as long as you want.
So, like, I could do this for like 2 hours?
You film yourself sleeping and upload it.
No, that's creepy. What if like there'd be old dudes like watch that? That's really creepy. How do you stop this thing?
You click this.
But there's no stop button.
It's that thing.